Cold and frosty mornings this weekend, so let's jump right into your forecast. Our wind map behind me still showing this cold front making its way to the eastern parts of the country, spreading strong southwesterly winds along the coast of the Eastern Cape on Friday into Saturday. Fresh winds spreading along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, reaching parts of Limpopo, but a mainly calm day over the rest of the country. Then we do have two cold fronts merging into one stronger front, making its way to the southwestern parts of the Western Cape, reaching it on a Sunday afternoon with strong northwesterly winds gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour here along the coast, and then over the interior of the country, winds gusting between 50 and 60 kilometers per hour in some places. This can be dangerous to high-sided vehicles traveling on main roads. A mainly dry day for the country with only light rain here over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and then spreading along the eastern escarpment into Mpumalanga and Limpopo on a Saturday evening, and morning drizzle here still over the eastern escarpment. But then we do have that strong cold front reaching the southwestern parts of the country on Sunday afternoon. Snow possible here over the Cederberg Mountains and the Matroosberg Mountains on Sunday evening, but widespread rain from the afternoon here in the shade of pink over the southwestern parts of the Western Cape. Our rainfall accumulation model showing another 50 millimeters of rain falling over the extreme southwestern parts of the Western Cape. This includes the Winelands, the city of Cape Town, and the western parts of the Overberg. In those areas, grounds already really saturated, and this can lead to flash flooding. In those areas, the South African Weather Service issued a yellow level 2 warning. And then our temperature maps is showing an icy cold start to your day on a Saturday, especially over the central parts of the country. Here in the shade of pink, minimum temperatures dropping below 0 degrees, -1 in the morning in Bethlehem and Bloemfontein, and -2 in Sutherland. And in those areas, frost is possible in the Eastern Cape and the Free State. A cool to cold day here in the shade of green over the central parts of the country. 13 in the afternoon in Sutherland, only 16 in the afternoon in Bloemfontein, and the cold weather reaching Gauteng with only 19 in Johannesburg, but still warm over the northeastern parts with 24 in the afternoon in Polokwane. And then on Sunday, the cold and frosty weather spreading more eastwards into Gauteng, with frost possible over the southern parts of Gauteng on Sunday morning. -2 in the morning in Bethlehem, only 10 degrees in the morning in Cape Town. And then on Sunday, heating up a bit ahead of that cold front. Maximum temperatures increasing by a few degrees in some places, but still cool to cold here in the shade of green, with 15 in the afternoon in Sutherland, 16 in Cape Town, but 23 in Polokwane and 21 in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend and stay warm, South Africa.